Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add animated icons to your Notion pages. This is a fantastic way to personalize your workspace and make your pages more visually engaging and easy to identify at a glance. First, open Notion and select your workspace from the left sidebar. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want to add the animated icon. This could be a project tracker, a notes page, or any other page you'd like to give some personality. Now hover your mouse over the page title area at the top of your screen. When you do this, you'll notice an Add Icon button appears just above the title. Go ahead and click on that button. This opens up a pop-up window with several icon options that Notion provides by default. Here's where things get interesting. In the icon options pop-up, you'll see a few tabs at the top. Click on the Upload tab. This is the key to adding your own custom animated icons rather than being limited to Notion's static options. Before we proceed, you'll need to find an animated icon GIF that you like. Head over to a GIF website such as Giphy.com or Tenor.com, where you can browse thousands of animated icons and GIFs. Once you find one that fits your page's vibe, you have two options. You can either download the GIF file directly to your computer, or you can copy the GIF's direct URL. For this tutorial, we'll use the URL method as it's quicker and more efficient. Back in Notion, with the Upload tab still open, you'll see an input box. Simply paste the GIF URL you just copied into this box. Make sure the entire URL is pasted correctly to avoid any loading issues. After pasting the URL, click the Submit button. Notion will now process your request and begin loading the animated GIF. Give it a moment to fully load and display. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this might take just a few seconds. Once it's loaded, verify that your page now shows the animated icon above the title. You'll notice that the animation works both on the page itself and in the sidebar when you're navigating through your workspace. This makes it much easier to spot specific pages